Yeah, man! Welcome to the Frickcast. Today, we have the top 5 Dr. Squatch Cologne Bricks. No, we ain't talking the colognes. We're talking Cologne scented bricks. Bars that have more of a manly scent that you may find in a cologne, but you're getting them in a brick. And these tend to be some of Squatch's greatest flavors as well. So let's kick things off with number 5, the Werewolf Wash, a good old Halloween boy. What's more manly than a werewolf? We're talking one of the best holiday-themed bars and one of the strongest scents potency-wise. The smell kind of reminds me of Coca-Cola, but it's mostly a cologne smell that's somewhat refreshing. With ingredients like wolfberry and forget-me-not seeds, it's also a solid, heavy grit brick. At 4 is the Fresh Falls. This is more of a body wash type of scent than a cologne one, but it's still a great one. It's like Squatch's frick you to generic soap, making a usually disgusting smell into one of the best scents. That fresh waterfall scent just smells clean and manly. At 3 is the Birchwood Breeze. This is a very unique bar, one of my personal favorites. The scent is very complex, it's mostly vanilla meets birch, but it's also got a cologne edge to it with some musk. The pumice also makes for one of the most consistent medium grits on the menu. At 2 is the Drunken Pumpkin / Wood Barrel Bourbon. Since these scents are somewhat similar, I'm going to include them in one spot, although I do prefer the Pumpkin Boy here. Either way, we're talking a fall-spiced bourbon cologne scent with a lot of warmth behind it. It's a classic fall scent with some oakiness and pumpkin. The Wood Barrel Bourbon adds some grit the Drunken Boy did not have, making for a nice medium grit OG. Either way, both of these bars are amazing, and the scents legendary. And at 1, I'm going to go with the Suds of Darkness. Mix things up today. I wouldn't consider this my favorite bar on this list, nor even my favorite scent, but when looked at through the lens of a cologne brick, I think it fits that mold better than any other. A steamy, manly scent, like wet rock and musk. It's definitely the most cologne-esque on the Squatch menu, and although it does have a bitch boy on the box, that's deceiving as it's one of the most manly smelling flavors available. With Rhyolite, it's also a nice medium grit, making for a very underrated bar. And there you have it, mains. If you like this video, check out my top 5 manliest Dr. Squatch bricks. Let me know what other bars I should have included. As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty. Yeah, man!